Okay, this is our 2016 Winnebago Destination 39FB. We are selling this. Possibly one of the nicest RVs you will see for sale. We've got the trail air suspension, which makes this really nice to tow. You've got your Onan RV QG 5500 LP generator, which is capable of running both of the air conditioner heat pump combinations on the roof and everything in the coach, including the microwave. We've got full body paint on the entire coach. Awning slides cover those up when they come out. We've got the propane tanks here on the side, and those, we've got those in here. They've got a switch system to switch from one or the other, or automatically you can leave those both on and they'll automatically switch when they run out. We've got the level up system, which is a nice feature. It just basically levels the entire thing on its own. You push one button. In the storage compartment here we have ourselves a deck, which actually is a T-Rex composite material and powder coated metal, and it's approved for most RV parks. If you're full timing, there is no actual wood, it's all composite and metal. We got your clean out station here, all your switches for city water, fresh water, tanks, clean outs, and this has got a dual black tank, dual gray tank system, so there's one gray, one black there, and one gray, one black here, and that's our clean outs for both of our tanks. This thing has got a ton of storage. We got a bunch of storage here, the storage where the deck is. We've got an automatic power retracting power cord for your landline. We're selling this as is with the wheel covers, tire covers, all the hoses, everything you need. We've got our surge suppressor. This bad boy is about a $500 item. Protects all your high dollar TVs, everything you have inside the coach. It's got 3 slides. This is your slide for the king bed in the master bedroom. This is our dinette or kitchenette and entertainment center here. We'll slide back here where we can get a better view of the back. We've got a custom fiberglass end on this coach. They put the Corvette look-alike taillights in it. See if we can get a better view of the roof here. Because as I said, we did order this with 2 heat pumps. So we have a dual zone thermostat system inside the coach, a heat pump up front and a heat pump in the back, as well as a fireplace and a furnace, which are standard on the Destination line. We just upgraded to the dual heat pump system so that we didn't have to use propane all winter. This is our living room slide and dinette on this side, and as you can see, it's got an entertainment center out here with a combination CD DVD head system that plays through this television. You can use the speakers on the TV or the speakers that are built into the wall of the coach. Here is our furnace and our hot water heater. This has got an instant recovery dual propane / electric water heater, and so far we have been incapable of running it out of hot water. It seems to keep up with 2 showers, no problem. Washing your hair, washing the dishes, etc. We've got our Magnum power inverter. This is the decent sized power inverter, the 1000 watt, because we do have a residential fridge in here. And we're going to go ahead and step inside here. We do have the awning, like I said, the covers on all the awnings come out with all the slides, and then we do have our big, I believe it's 14-foot slide awning out here, as well as security lighting on this side of the coach, and your secondary or main, whichever way you switch this over, propane and regulator. So we've got a tank on either side of the coach. These are lined in where you can use these for the generator, the coach, and we also have an adapter out here so that you can put a propane barbecue or grill out here as well.